This is actually my first unboxing video. As you can tell, I've already opened this, but you know, bear with me. This is collecting Victorinox Swiss Army knives. I've got 5 at the moment. I did a video last year, or well, no, 2 years ago, pre-COVID, about my first Swiss Army knife, which was a Huntsman. This one is the Explorer. Now this is a memorial knife in memory of my father, Curly Del Monte, who passed away in 1999, and also in memory of my mother, Anastasia Del Monte, who passed away in 2016. Yeah, so this is quite cool. It's a black one. Quite like it. It's got the blade. I quite like this. The size is good for an EDC. Although, you know, I have 2 Swiss champs that I sometimes carry. So I like this. But bear with me. What I really like about the Explorer is the magnifying glass. Haven't used it to try and start a fire, but you know, I like it. One thing I also like about this is the inline Phillips screwdriver. I find that easier to use than Swiss Army knives that have the screwdriver here on the back. It's one feature that, you know, I really use quite often. Of course, it's got this. This is great for eyewear glasses, so this is great for that. On my Huntsman, I bought a spare one of these that I put on it. The hook, which I quite like, and again, I've seen this on quite a few videos. This isn't mine, but this version of the Explorer has a ballpoint pen. So the pen can be a bit too small to write with. So if you do this, you know, it's easier to, you know, yeah, so I quite like that for that reason. Of course, it's got the toothpick and the tweezers. Everyone knows about them. I use this to put holes in belts. Of course, it has the scissors as well, the small blade, you know, the standard features on the Swiss Army knife. But, you know, for emotional reasons, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, it's, you know, when I do carry this, I actually carry it in the box here. You know, sorry, trying to focus. using my new smartphone to do this video, so you know, apologies for the when it goes blurry. Yeah, so with my parents' names on it, it's quite a special one, and I like the fact that it's black instead of the standard red. I've got a Huntsman Light, as I said, and 2 Swiss Champs. I might do videos on them. Yeah. Thank you very much. Cheers.